Well, welcome to the first major snow vlog of the winter season this year. On tonight's episode of Scully Productions, it is a huge snowstorm. As you can see, it's well, there's a lot of snow tonight. We're forecasted to get between 20 and 30 centimeters of snow. So, I mean, I love going out and driving around in the snow and sliding around, as a lot of car guys do. This being a front wheel drive Cadillac, we're gonna be using the e-brake for those rear wheels quite a bit. As you can see, no snow packed in these wheels yet. A little bit of snow packed in these wheels. So we've been having fun already. We're gonna go out, Cam and I are gonna go out for a little bit, do some exploring and just general, probably winter shenanigans. So everything you're about to see is probably not a good idea, and I wouldn't recommend it. But I recommend watching my video because you can do everything I'm about to do from the comfort of your own couch. Now we're just on this little side road going to the old cabin station siding. Pretty neat going through everything with all the snow coverage though. Just rolled in, and this is the depth of the snow we're dealing. Hold up. This is the depth of the snow we got going on so far. It's right up to the bottom of the bumper, and this thing isn't a low car, so. And then Cam's right there, now that you could see with the amount of snow over the lens. And then I guess the train went over these tracks. There is tracks under there, like a couple hours ago. So yeah, she's been plowing the snow though. Cam, look at this. It's right up over the bottom of the little bit of the grill, and then just it's frozen right over the crest. Can't have that. Yeah, Cadillac, loud and proud. So we took the time to make a little snowman here. He's got his body, or I guess his butt or his legs, the midsection, the head, which, hold up. Eye, another eye. Half decent face there. He's got interesting arms. That actually looks pretty scary now that I'm standing back. And yeah, I mean, there's one track, potentially, allegedly, that could be the other track. So, yeah. Cam's gone way down here. I don't know if you can see him. Try zooming in. Yeah, there, you can just kind of see him. He's making his way. And then I'm back here catching up. And yeah, we'll keep you posted, I suppose. Oh, yeah. Way less. So they must have used it while it was still snowing. CP, we expect a check. He's putting in work right here. That's right. This is after hours. This is double overtime right here. Triple. We've been trekking for hours and we've finally come across a bridge. Yeah, look at it. It's got like, it's all steel, and so the train tracks go over here, and normally you just get just the tracks, but the edge of the bridge, and there's this concrete or steel wall. Yeah, this, it's all graded. Weird. So we're just looking at the bridge, and this one, so this is what it's supposed to look like. This piece here. It's hard to really hard to make out with the snow in the lens, but I don't think that part is supposed to be like that. Something was definitely dragging, but just there, because that one's broken. This one's fine. This one's fine. Yeah, something hit it, and clearly that was enough to realign it. That's a lot of snow out there.
Yeah, it's fucking...
Yeah, that is a lot.
Even just the amount of time we've been here, how much it's accumulated. So
Yeah, definitely a couple centimeters.
we haven't had it this bad since that big storm last year.
Yeah, so the date today is December 15th, and the last time we had 22. The last time we had snow this bad was January 17th of 22. So when you're seeing this video in like July, that's the time frame we're at right now. You can't even really tell, but this snow here is pretty well up to the
Bumper.
yeah, pretty well up to the bottom of the bumper, and this car's not low.
Your trunk's open.
Huh? That's awkward. Cam just goes, your trunk's open, because he could see through the trunk bypass into the car, and yeah, that was just, I must have hit it getting in after the last shot, but that's embarrassing.
That stays in the video.
Oh yeah, that'll stay in the video. Okay, it's not that deep out here, but earlier it was that deep, but it's not exactly a little bit of snow. Like, that's a fair amount of snow in there. So this is awkward. We were just driving down the street, Cam and I, and well, that's my under tray right there.
You didn't even, okay, this time he wasn't even doing anything.
Yeah, I wasn't. I was just literally just driving. In like on the county road, Airport Road, County Road 11 overpass. Like, open the trunk here. Yeah, and it just, that's just it. That's all she wrote.
That's more cooling if you ask me.
It is more cooling. I know that piece is already hanging, so just want to make sure there's nothing else hanging off the bottom of the car, and I think we're good. It just means that it's a Beauty Impala. I think it just means I'll have to reattach it at some point. Yeah, this guy right over here, he was stopping to make sure it was okay, but
Yeah. Shout out to you, Impala boy.
we should have actually told him to subscribe. That's what I should have done. Shoulda, woulda, coulda, putting a seatbelt on while steering with my knee and holding a camera in a snowstorm.
Safe drive down, honestly, one of the sketchier highways we have.
Yeah, especially in a snowstorm. This is...
Yeah. It's honestly a nice summer day. It's a nice drive, but in a snowstorm, it's pretty brutal.
I ever tell you the story? Sean and I were up here in the summer one time, and I was getting a shot of traffic coming down that way, and the police showed up right after we left because somebody called us in saying I was going to commit suicide.
Yeah, I've been called in for that a few times.
We're stopping and taking pics of the bridge.
Standing out, walking. I walked across the bridge in Coburg. We had a hotel because my brother used to play basketball.
Yeah.
Or on a team, right? So we'd travel around everywhere. It was in Coburg. I walked across the bridge to go to McDonald's on the other side. And as I was coming back, a cop was there waiting. And went, well, we had somebody with your description called in. I said, for what? He said, they thought that you were going to jump off the bridge. I was like,
dude, I got McDonald's.
I walked across the bridge on the sidewalk.
Yeah.
Some MacD's, man.
Yeah, like...
I mean, the cop was like, oh yeah, well, it's clearly you're not doing that. This means he's about to do something dumb. I was right. Oh yeah, the cornering lamps. Hell yeah, it's so badass. Oh yeah.
clearing snow off the runway. That's so cool. And yeah, the Cadillac's doing just fine. I wish the camera did a better job of like how pretty all the snow, showing how pretty all the snow is out here. It is insanely deep out here though. Like this is right down to the surface right here. Well, it's got like a layer of ice and slush and all that over it, but it's so pretty. Like, look, this focuses. Look at that shot right there. That's pretty cool. Here's how bad the storm is. I think the bus is stuck.
Every year, those idiots get stuck.
Yeah, there's nobody even in it. It's just left there.
Somebody Grand Theft Auto that shit.
All right, guys. Well, we're back at the house now. A couple hours later, me and Cam went around, ripped around for a little bit. Then I went out and ripped around a little bit more and kind of lost my train of thought. Basically, what I was trying to say is, well, at this point, I'm really tired. It's almost midnight. I have to put this in the driveway, and then I have to put that in the driveway. Then I'm gonna go to bed. Thank you very much for watching this episode of Scully Productions. First real kind of, well, I think maybe there's another snow episode before this, I'm not sure. But first real big snowstorm vlog that I can remember. We're supposed to keep getting this snow. I mean, it's slowing down now. If we look up in the tree there, it's still snowing a little bit. But apparently this snow is supposed to go all the way until Friday. It's currently, well, it's about to be Friday morning, but it's supposed to go until like 9 p.m. Friday night. So we'll see how that pans out. Thank you for watching this. Oh, so sorry. Basically what I was trying to get at is if it goes till 9 p.m. tomorrow night, we might still have a couple more snow vlogs to get out. So thank you for watching this one. If you like this style of video, let me know down below. If you don't like it, also let me know down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next episode of Scully Productions.